In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create, edit, or manage users in SAS4 Radius Manager. Okay, so on the main page, we are going to click on the users, and here you can see we have users list, online users, compensations, and support tickets. So first I'm going to click on the users list. So I already have one account under the username Talha. So first let me show you how you can create an account. So you need to click on new and then type the username. So I'm going to type test1 and then I need to enter the password. So I'm going to set test and the same password to confirm, and make sure the user is enabled. And the next thing what I'm going to do is to select a profile. So currently I only have this profile, but in upcoming videos I'll be showing you how to create profiles on SAS4 Radius Manager. So I'm going to click this one, and there is a parent. I can select any of them. In previous video, if you have seen, we created 3 test managers with 3 different permissions, so I can select any of those, but currently I'm going to choose under the admin. And there is another option for sites if you want to select that one, and in upcoming videos I'll show you what exactly is the site, but if you set any, that's fine. And there is a MAC lock option, like you can set just a single MAC address, so only that computer would be able to log in using this username and password. And we can use separate for user portal, but I'm not going to check this one because that's going to be confusing, because if your user or you are a user, you're trying to connect your test user with test1 and the password test, and under the user portal, if the password is different, it's going to be confusing. And you can log in into the user panel with the IP address /user. Okay, and the next thing, if you want to set the portal password, we can set that, but I ignored that one. And there is a group as well, and group is something like when the admin advertise something, like if you are the admin and you're offering something or some new service, so you can send out email or SMS to the group, so it will be sent to all of those users which are in that group. And the next thing is you need to type the name, company, email, whatever the requirement is, and you can set auto renewal if you want to. If that's the prepaid user, then I would suggest to not check this one. And there is another thing, if you want to allow your users to like connect in the multiple session, you can change that. Simultaneous sessions, you can change that to 2, 5, whatever you want. And if you want to give them a static IP address, you can set that IP over here. And if there is a MikroTik framed route, you can set that as well. But setting up username, password, profile, and the parent, these 3-4 things are required in creating a user. And you have to understand this. Under SAS4 Radius Manager, you can only create a user, you cannot delete one, but you can add it. So I'm going to click on the submit. So here you can see the user is created, but the as we created the user, you can see it's under orange state. So what is orange? Expired. So this one is not activated yet. So I'm going to click on that one, and under actions I need to click on activate. So it will be activated after paying the price of that service or that profile, and that account will be green. So what I'm going to do is to set a unit. So unit means whatever the price is set, so you can consider that as 1 month. So that's the price for 1 month, so I'm going to set 1. If I type here 2, it's going to be $40, and this is the price what is set on under the profiles. And all you need to click on active, issue an invoice for the user. If you want to, you can do that. I'm going to check this one because I'm going to show you that in this video, and then activate. So now you can see the test user is green. Okay, so now I am under this user account, so I can see the username, I can see the password, I can see the balance, I can see the owner, everything, whatever is under that user we can see. So yeah, we can activate, issue invoices, change profile, disconnect, and I was wrong at that point. We can still delete that user because for the first time I was using and I was trying to find to delete a user. Like I clicked that one, I clicked on action, I could see all the other services like live traffic, edit, rename, but I couldn't see the button for deleting the user. So I found this one in this video. That's nice that we can delete user as well, and we can rename as well. In DMU Soft Lab you cannot rename a user, but in this one you can rename, and under the edit section you can edit whatever you want, and under traffic you can see the traffic if the user was connected. So let me go back to the user which was connected. So you can see here the traffic, it went up to this, and you can see what was the date on 7th of November, download and upload and total real-time traffic. So under next you can see the sessions, like how many times I connected and disconnected and what was the IP assigned to the user. Okay, and the invoices, we can see the invoices as well, the payments history, documents if there is any, and there is a free zone traffic. We will discuss that in further videos. And there is a journal, I don't know what is that. And yeah, so the next thing, which is online users, if you click on that one it will show you the online users, but that you can see under the main tab as well. Under the dashboard it shows here, because when I was previously connected it was showing online users, and the status get into the blue color. Okay, and it shows all other stuff as well on the dashboard.
If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Before we move forward, I request you to click on the like button and leave a comment that from what city you are watching this video from.
So the next thing is compensation. So if you have any request from any user to compensate in price or whatever, you will see here, and you can approve or delete any. And the next one is support ticket. So here you can create a ticket related to any issue. You can select a client and type the subject what this ticket is related to. So I'm going to type the client name Talha, and I'm going to type just random subject and click on create. So this ticket is created. We can see a subject is internet issue, and this was the date when it was created. Its status is open and unresolved. So I'm going to click on that one. Here you can see if somebody or some manager sees that, and they know like if that user is under their account, so they can fix the issue, or they can type their comments, whatever it is. Like let's say it's not under my supervision, or it's not in my area, so I can type here it's not in my area, or whatever the notes you can type, so every manager can see that. Yeah, that's all for today, I would say. If there is anything I missed, you can just comment me and I will create another video on that one. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.